Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily add green screen overlay in CapCut apps. Alright, so tap on your project and select your photo and then green screen. Alright, just click add. So to add the green screen overlay, so here's in this clip you are just going to make it as an overlay. Scroll to the right at the bottom, just click overlay. So just for the position in the same like this, and you can remove the green color. Just click on the overlay, select cut out, select remove background, or just select chroma key, select color picker and select green color, adjust for the intensity and then shadow until you find perfect. There you go. That's it. This before and after. Yeah, it's super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.